Welcome back, gang members, boys and girls. I just got the go-ahead that the body kit... Hey, yo. The body kit being painted and done. We did run into a little bit of an issue with the side skirts having a couple fisheyes on it. We put one coat of clear, and the second coat of clear had a little bit of fisheyes in it. But it shouldn't be no worry. Gavin over at Last Touch Auto Detail said that we should be able to wet sand them down, probably, you know, buff it, and it'd be mint. So I'm gonna go to the bank real quick. We did run into a small issue over at Foreign Car Services. There are a couple O-rings for the coolant and oil lines in the valley of the V8 that needed to be replaced. I've been dealing with some health issues recently. Got some gut things going on, and so I got to start taking this medication that kills off all the bad things that are going on inside of there. So the medication that I'm on makes me very sleepy and tired, and I've just, you know, every day is basically a mystery whether I'm going to feel great or I'm going to feel shit. Just picked up the cash.
Go there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Wow.
Obviously that doesn't show, but all these. This isn't as bad as I remember. But
I mean, it's not really that noticeable. The paint match looks great though. Hey, okay.
I'm gonna double side tape this.
Okay.
And panel bond it. And then this will also be panel bonded to the bumper, so it's gonna be solid.
Oh, okay. Good.
Solid.
Good. Because, you know, when we out here hitting like 170, 180, I need that bitch not to move.
Because that's what I was thinking. This is the scary part. I don't know.
All right. Beefus is all loaded up. This shit is in here tight. Who would have thought that an A8 bumper barely fits in a Prius? So, about to head to Foreign Car Services, drop that John off. We're about a week out or so, I think, from putting it all together, getting the car tuned. Our deadline is June 28th, as Slammed It Up Chicago is June 29th. Couple videos back, I said we were going to fix the exhaust on my brother's Corolla. I ended up having a little bit of time at work, and so I borrowed a lift and a tech, and we kind of just banged it out real quick. As for what the rest of this video is going to be, over at Jackson Speedway is a drift event that they're kind of basing it off of Matsuri. And so I got a couple drift buddies going out there, and so I will go ahead and catch up to you guys when that goes on. Oh my god.
London, I'm going out shopping, gon' fuck up the corners. She tried to turn me away, she just seen this bitch when I pull out them hustles. Cocky, you talk about the stomach. Dick on the stomach. Nigga, on my top is the summers. That shit on it ain't nothing. Take me a trip out to London, I'm going out shopping, gon' fuck up the corners. She tried to turn me away, she just seen this bitch when I pull out them hustles. Cocky, you talk about the stomach. Dick on the stomach. I bought her the watch and she call yo every night from my past. Watch out, back in the bowl like a lid. I'm taking the stripes in the street like a stick. Got straight. I told the bitch I don't need it. She told me pull up my sleeve. Bitch, I might have it again. I like a bitch with the stripes on her ass. I'm all over getting them.
Back again in the studio office, I don't know what you want to call it, robe editing, basically a professional. I do want to give a huge thanks on all of the support that you guys have been showing me recently. YouTube critiques comments quite heavily on getting outreach on YouTube videos, so go ahead, leave a comment on what your favorite car was in the vlog today. As for the Audi, hopefully done next week so we can put the body kit on, give it a nice old full detail, and that's it. Just basically a tune is needed after that and we are good to go. I really want to give a huge thank you for all of the support on a lot of recent videos, and as well as all of our new subscribers. While I, try and figure out all this YouTube stuff, I owe you guys a ton, and especially all of the people that have helped me get here. I have a lot of big plans coming up in the near future, so I hope you guys stick around, stay up to date, and I'll see you guys in the next one.